तीरथ तप दया दत दान, जेको पावै तिल का मान। सुनिया मन्निया मन कीता पाओ, अंतरगत तीरथ मल नाओ। सब गुण तेरे मैं नाही कोय, विण गुण कीते भगत ना होए। Guruji says Tirath Tap Daya Dat Dan. By going to holy sites of pilgrimage or Tirath, Tap, by doing hard penance, Daya Dat Dan, and by doing Daya or mercy through Dat Dan, donation of one's money to charity. Jeko Pave Til Ka Maan. These by themselves only bring Til Ka Maan. Til means a sesame seed or a very small amount. Til Ka Maan. These by themselves only bring a small amount of merit. Ultimately, what will cleanse us? What will bring us merit in the eyes of God? Sunya, Manya, Man Kita Pao. Listening to God's name and enshrining God's name within, reaching the state of manana. In this way, man kita pao, enshrine love for God within your mind, and antargat tirath malna. Bathe in the inner tirath, bathe in the inner site of pilgrimage, and in this way remove all mal or all filth. Sab gun tere main nahi koi. All gun, all virtue belongs to you, O God, and not me. Vin gun kite bhagte na hoy. Without enshrining gun or virtues within, devotional worship cannot happen. Our devotional worship is not fruitful unless we first develop virtue through daya, through dan, through mercy and donation to charity. But ultimately, what will cleanse us within is sunya, manya, man kita pao. Listening to God's name and enshrining God's name within. Guruji says, Pun dan jap tap jete sab upar naam. All donations to charity, all hard penance, sab upar naam. The practice of God's name is above all of these. Har har rasna jo japai tis puran kam. The devotee who recites God's name with his tongue, tis puran kam. He has performed the full religious action. But without pun and dan, our reciting God's name is not fruitful because vin gun kite bhagat na ho. Karam taram anek kirya sab upar naam achar. All religious action, all ways of religion, anek kirya, all religious deeds, sab upar naam achar. Above all of these is the practice of God's name. Vin gun kite bhagte na hoy. Without enshrining virtue within, we will never be able to truly practice God's name. Guruji in the next verses says, Swast aath bani barmao, sat sohan sada man chao. Swast aath. Guru Nanak Dev Ji bows down to the Lord. Bani barmao. And he salutes the Bani or the word of God. Sat sohan sada man chao. God's form is that of Sat or truth. God's form is Sohan or beautiful. And to the mind, God's form brings Sada Man Chao, forever joy. God is Anand Rupi, or the very image of joy. And this is why Guru Nanak Dev Ji salutes or bows down to the God of the universe and the Word of God through which God can be known. In the next verses, Guruji asks, when did the creation begin? To such a fascinating God, to such a God who is the very image of joy, when did his creation begin? Kavan sovela, Vakht kavan. When was the exact moment? Kavan thit, kavan var. What was the exact day? Kavan se rutti. What was the season? Mah kavan. What was the exact month? Jit hoa akal. When all of the creation came into being. Guruji tells us, Vel na paiya panditi je hove lekh Puran. This moment cannot be known by the Pandits, even if they write, even if they read the ancient Hindu text, the Puran, over and over again. They cannot know when the creation started. Vakht na payo kadiya je likhan lekh Quran. Qazis or Muslim priests cannot know this moment either, even if they likhan lekh Quran, write the Quran again and again and try to find the answer. Thit var na jogi jane, rut maha na koi. If the Pandits and the Qazis do not know this moment, the Jogis do not know it either. Rut maha na koi. They have no idea which season, which month it was. Who knows the answer to this question when all of creation came into existence? Jan karta sriti ko saje, ape jane soi. The one who has fashioned the whole world, only he can truly know. In Gurbani, Guruji says, Pita ka janam ke janne poot. How can a son know the circumstances of the father's birth? The son was not present for the father's birth and thus cannot know when or under what circumstance the father came into being. We are all children of existence. We are all children of God's Qudrat. We cannot know exactly when God's Qudrat started. Jan karta sirthi ko saje. The one who has created the whole world, ape jane soi. Only he knows. Kiv kare akhan, kiv salahi, kyon varni, kiv jana. How can I speak of such a God? Kiv kar akhan, kiv salahi. How can I praise a God who is all-knowing? Kyon varni, kiv jana. How can God be known? Nanak akhan sabko aakhe, ik tu ik syana. Everybody is speaking of God. The Pandits, the Qazis, the Yogis. They are speaking of God, and each one tries to be smarter than the next. Ik tu ik syana. They each try to find and debate the answer to questions that cannot be answered through the intellect. Ik tu ik syana. But what is the nature of God? Vadda Sahib. God is Vadda or magnificent. Vaddi Nai. If God is magnificent, then his Naam or his virtues are also Vaddi, magnificent. Gita Janka Hove. Whatever God declares, whatever God does, ultimately happens. Nanak jeko apo jane, agge gaya na sohe. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, if one considers oneself to be intelligent, if one considers oneself to know all of the answers, to know all of the nature of God, agge gaya na sohe. He will not be sohe or beautiful. He will not be honored in the afterworld, because he will have tried to speak of God through the intellect. He will try to have captured God through his intelligence, but God is Vadda. God is magnificent. He cannot be captured through our mere intellect. Thus, it is best to worship God innocently without claiming to know all of the answers, because God's name and God's very nature is magnificent. Nanak jeko apo jane. Guruji says if one considers oneself to be intelligent or to know all of the answers, agge gaya na so hai. In the next life, he will not be honored.